Hello, 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 hello. Welcome back. It's a new day, a new song to listen to react to talk about, to think about. Now, today I'm going to be reacting to the new song by Anne Marie featuring KSI and Digital Farm Animals called Don't Play. Now, I have listened to Anne Marie before. She is a pretty decent artist with some really good songs. I have never heard of KSI before. I have heard of Digital Farm Animals on the collabo with BB Rexa and Louis Tomlinson, and also another one with Becky G. Yeah, so this song has an audio and a video, so we're going to be talking about both. So let's begin. Anne Marie, KSI, Digital Farm Animals, Don't Play. Okay, so I think she's in school and she's being bullied. Okay. So they stole her bag. Don't play games with my heart. It's off to a good start. I think it's going to be a good song. Let's continue. Also, I think like after she got bullied and she kind of went to started boxing, which is a method of self-protection and also a way to boost your confidence. Let me begin again. Okay. So I think this is KSI. Pretty good rapper. Don't play games with my heart. Don't play. Don't play. Oh, so she's going to fight, and one of the girls who bullied her is the reigning champion. So can't wait for the reigning champion to get beat up. Don't play. Then she wins the fight. I think it's over. Yeah, it's over. So I feel like okay, it's a good song. It's an okay song, but I feel like it's too old for 2021. It's got a sound that would fit in like around 2017. When the EDM thing was the in thing. I feel like the industry has kind of outgrown that sound, but it's also good to hear it after such a long while. But I generally feel like it's something that would have fit better in 2017 and not 2021. But it's basically just a key song talking about someone getting bullied. So you might take the literal context where someone is getting bullied, then they find a way to stand up for themselves and they face those bullies later in life. And you can also take it for a metaphorical side, whereby it's basically just life being hard and you just get up and fight and continue fighting until you win, until you finally get what you want to get in life, basically. Yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Tell me what you think about the song in the comments down below. If you liked it, like, share, subscribe, repost, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.